Top of the morning, fine. Top of the morning to TRD Farmer. What's up, man? What's up? Bitcoin, huh? Getting so sick of it in these areas. I really am. Well, whatever. No point in bitching about it, right? Okay, so we failed our most immediate high. I'm sure everybody saw that this morning. Come back down for the low. Let's get this move down. I have to see. I have to make a decision now whether I even like this trade, because yesterday we would not have broke any structure coming to here. But today, that is not the case. Coming to there would be a break of structure now. Coming to that position would now be a break of structure. So, yeah, 100%. My feelings on that have changed. 100% they have. Let's see if I can talk myself out of that. I doubt. There's just no way. There's just no way. Okay, here's how it would have to look, right? So 1 hour. I'm trying to find out what structure this range contains, and it is 1 hour structure. Which means that after a 1 hour break, I'm not 100% sold that that's a break yet, but yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. If we break on the 1 hour, then we're going to need to form 1 hour market structure down here for me to then run along it. We're going to have to undo this. We would have to undo that with a 1 hour sort of range and a break for me to want to get involved with that anymore. Yeah, oh well. All right, so that shaves off those two bottom. That's the top. Oh, I did forget. Oh, I forget though. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Because I forget that this is 4 hour structure here. Hold on. Let's drop down to the 1 minute because market is open. So 7:30 fills, more fills. I need to make a new template here. What is this thing called? I found this new volume indicator that I think I'm going to love. Volume composition. Volume composition. Go figure. Blueberry found an indicator. That and then give me regular volume. And over here, let's just grab a WAP. Something tells me I don't think I'm gonna give two shits about the VWAP right now. I don't. Okay. To turn off. Interesting. The reason I like this volume indicator is it actually shows actual volume. So you don't have to like look at this stupid number up here on the candles every time. And then the concept here is that it shows active volume and like the percentage of volume. See where this is all red? this is like only half of it is red because only half of it is active volume. I don't, it's a weird thing. I'm still trying to figure it out. Sorry. Blah blah blah. Yeah, caffeinating. I'm a little bit behind on that myself. Anthony Soprano, Jay Becker, Luke Zaldania. What's up, guys? I don't want a long here. I don't think I want. No, I don't want a long here. I don't want a long here. I gotta figure out what the hell I'm doing. I gotta figure out what the hell I'm doing. It's not a break yet, so let's just take that off anyway. Did we get as low as here? Ooh, we did. These lines out here. Hey, where'd my other little volume indicator go? Did I fucking... What did I do? Oh, whatever. Let's go here. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like this. I feel like this is actually going to go up this morning. I really don't like it. Me and this Bitcoin chart are not getting along right now. So if you guys have any questions, that would be far better for me because me and this chart are not getting along at this moment. Price action has been so boring. So boring. Yeah, see what I'm thinking this morning is essentially like these. I go into here too, yeah, like these candles in this area right here, these ones, including that one right there. Let me put that into a box. I'm just looking at the short volume in these candles right here, and I'm going, okay, we got all these people selling at these lows. What if we come back above here and trap them? That's the only justification I could give for a move up right here. But the trouble I have with that is, well, actually, that would trap them too. Because I'm looking like, okay, so that's market open. I can see short orders filled. 2 minutes later, I can see short orders filled. It's such a weird place to short. This is a really weird place to short. God, that is just weird. I guess not everybody that trades New York Open is a market maker, right? It just seems an odd place to short. Oh, yeah, good Lord. This render, yes, please, for the love of God, give me something else to look at because this thing is dumb. This is dumb. Give me just another minute or two here. I don't even know if I can. Let's just move to render. Sometimes, sometimes when I get to a chart, I don't know. I'll just speak for myself. Um, sometimes I just don't see it, right? Sometimes I come to a chart and it's everything's clear, and other times it is not. All right, let me remind myself here. Let me remind myself. I mean, locally in this area, you have bullish 4 hour structure. It's kind of similar to BTC in that sense, where it does have local 4 hour bullish structure. I don't. I mean, there's never a part of me that's going to love that low just sitting there. I'm just doing my best these more recent times to just get the hell build a bridge and just get the hell over that fact. Um, just the same way that I don't like that this low sits here, but I just have to build a bridge and get the fuck over it because there's a change of 4 hour market structure here, indicating to me that price would ultimately like to test these areas. Okay, okay. All right, and back test is completed. Can it go lower? Possibly. We'll figure that out in a moment. Let's see here. This is problematic through here. Yeah, at least through there. I feel like that's the same area. But yeah, I'll just pick on that. Throw a little note on here. It's kind of a bummer because locally in this guy, I swear, God, I need to do. What am I doing with this mouse? You really have to clear this to target this. So I guess let's look at some risk reward here. Oh, it's probably going to suck. Oh, actually, that might not be hateful. That's not great, but it's not. So we come up here. So, okay, so all of this stuff has been addressed already. That's done. I don't see a lot of remaining resistance up here. Let me check the 15 real quick. No, I don't. I don't see a lot of remaining resistance up there. You're going to lose at least 30-minute structure off of this low. And so flowchart wise, I would say that this low probably bring you all the way down to here. Yeah, that'll be about 30-minute internal change back to bullish. And then you got to be watching for short up in these areas, I think. Potential target. I guess that would be the most primary target there. And unless you were thinking more like longer term on render, because then I should do something a little bit differently. Morning Iran, BTC bounce up to macro uptrending support to definitely break down. Mature last two higher lows deviated below a little bit. Dude, I can't. My brain is like not functioning well this morning, which is wild because I did sleep good last night. Like I slept really good last night. Yeah, kind of trapping those shorts there. Oh, I still don't know if I love this. Look at this out of the way. I thought that was a wick there for a second. Okay, so you have like a 1 minute shift down here, possibly 2 minute shift down here. I think it might be worth a stab at a small scalp. Long. Man, good lord, dude, my brain feels like a wet noodle right now. It feels like an absolute wet noodle. It really does. Jesus Christ. Anyways, back to surrender. Deeper mitigation. Where would it be? Well, where? Come on, I just wanted a nice little X on that. Why is that so hard? No, I still feel good about this. I don't think I want to do anything else to that chart. I think that I am okay with that. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I'm all right with that. All right. What else? We got anything else in chat? We got anything else in chat? Playing last night at a hockey game for some decent exercise. Nice, dude. Yeah, I feel like there's a long scalp to be had here. I really want to be all the way under. God, that's a shitty low, though. Ugh. No, that low sucks. It just sucks. Just not a lot of buying at this low. Though I guess that doesn't matter if there's a lot of selling at the low and you trap them, then that's your liquidity right here. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I still think it's worth a small scalp. God, can we do anything? Can we do anything? Where was yesterday? Oh, look at that. That's an entire trading day right here. Jesus, it's so pathetic. So pathetic. Anyways, God, we need it. I can't wait until we get the hell out of these areas. I want to. Where's the southern chart? Where's the southern chart at? Should be it. Blank template. Here we go. Yeah, if we could at least get out of this. Oh my God. Oh, I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be here anymore. This Aryan price just sucks. I think I was saying this yesterday. It's like so fucking internal to everything. God, it just sucks. And so now we're just trying to decide this range, which doesn't look overly bullish. Sorry for the low energy today, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. All right, give me. Let's go. Let's go look at something else. This is just dumb. This is just dumb. I just don't even like it. I just don't even like it. I don't like the fact that we spent an entire fucking Monday over here. Now we did take out Monday's high, so that's pretty good, and we did take out Monday's low already, so that's pretty good. But outside of that, this chart is boring me to death. To death. Yeah, yeah, it really is. Really is. Morning, Nigel. That happens. Sometimes I get on the wrong YouTube account. That happens. I have to find something else to look at. This is just going to bore me to death. I am going to go to Binance. In theory, I'm not running a VPN, so we'll see how that works. And I want to see. Let's see where the volume's being traded right now. Can you give me a futures volume? Oh, Binance is unavailable in your country or region. Well, why don't you go suck? Just 24-hour volume. What the hell is all this stuff? I've never heard of a single one of these coins. Oh, because because I sorted the volume the wrong direction. Solana BNB, Litecoin Doge, Sui, huh? Sui. What's up on the Sui chart? Probably late for any entries on this. Actually, just it's not super late for an entry. It's just structurally the target's too close. So let's see, that is the primary target, and this is your break coming out of demand. But that just has a really close target to it. If you get a retrace down there, that might be worth a stab on Sui. That's a big if though. That's a big if. What about BNB? That's another one that's been interesting lately. Hit my short zone. How did it get there? Ah, interesting. Oh no, that's already. It's the second time it's done that. I kind of feel like BNB is still long out of here. Anything interesting over on the Bitcoin chart yet? A little bit. A little bit. All right. Render continues to crank. What else do we got? Sorry, now I can't see my chat. I covered you guys up. I'm so sorry. Ray is Ray. Ray. Is that a ticker? Is that a tick? Is Ray one of them tickers? Ray is that a thing? Boy, they will just come up with a coin for anything, won't they? Ah, okay. Well, that's way better. All right. I was like, gosh, dang, that chart looks wild. Um, so that was your spring. For 1, 2, 3, Model 1 reaccumulation. That was the spring. Okay. You had a nice daily order block, but you cut like pretty much all the way through it. Yeah, all the way through it. We actually took the low of it. Close to. It's relevant high there. Structure started turning bullish down here. Took out a swing point here. Challenging the swing point here. Oh, and then came back for the low too. I think this has permission to go up at this point. Yeah, the slight 15-minute break in structure here. Actually, wonder if this is short. Wonder if this is a short. Part of me is wondering whether it actually rejects out of this area and then comes down and breaks this low. I think that's the safer. That's probably the safer way to look at it. I don't know, because because you lost your 15-minute up here, it's like you got to regain your 15. Yeah. So, bruh. Too early, New Waverly, Texas. I'm unavailable at these hours for phone. You still have all of this section just empty. A lot more price action down here. I think I do feel like shorting that more. I think I do feel like shorting it more than I do like longing it. Let's see here. Boom. All right. Boom. So you lose your, yeah, okay, yeah. So we lost our 4 hour up here. And then we lost it again. And then we back tested that supply. And then we big break here. And then this is supply. And we come back into that. And then we break 4 hour again. I guess but the 4 hour foot bullish. Oh gosh. I'm sad to say I just don't feel like this is a clear read for me. I guess with the exception of losing this low. I think if you lose that low, then we go down. Which one's the right button? Can we target lower? No, it'd be your immediate target one, but if it doesn't hold, then I suspect you probably could target quite a bit lower. I think this is where I'm at with Ray. I could be so wrong about this. Oh my God, I can see myself being very wrong about this, but it is nonetheless where I am at with it. Hold on, let me check my calendar. Am I fucking missing something? The answer to that question is no. Stop bothering me, people. Stop bothering me. Does that mean BTC is going down? Asshole. Asshole. That happens to me sometimes. I'll be like doing TA on something else, and then I'm like, well, wait a minute, this looks like a short. Is it gonna go down while Bitcoin goes up? And then I look over, I'm like, nope. No, it's gonna go down while Bitcoin goes down. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Well, anyways. Anybody got another one? Yeah, it's one of them tickers. One of their kickers. Um, well, let me teach myself some lessons here. Yeah, I don't know. Dude, I don't know. I mean, I will say it doesn't happen to me all the time, but it happens to everybody from time to time, right? Where I'm just looking at this Bitcoin chart today, and I'm like, oh, beats me, guys. I don't know. Doesn't does not always happen, but it happened to me now. See, they call that Monday's low. That's Sunday's low, if you ask me. I call that Sunday's low. Yeah, this is done. This is, or I don't know. Yeah, nope. Sorry, I should probably think about using some English. I don't like the Bitcoin chart today. I just don't like it. I didn't like it yesterday either. This chart is dumb. But let's be honest, it's really just because I'm dumb and can't figure it out. That's all it really is. What was that alarm, Sui? Yeah, see, now that makes me worried about Sui, though. That makes me hesitant on the Suis. This high looks so weak, though. God damn, it looks weak. I don't know. I don't know, man. I might, dude. I might actually just call this and go do some work. So, sometimes your brain just don't do what you need it to do, and I'm kind of feeling that right now. I'm super feeling that. Super feeling that. Price action has been a mess. Yeah, yeah, it has. It has. It's been a bit of a mess. It has. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. That doesn't always trip me up, though. Is the only thing that it just that doesn't just. I'm just frustrated with myself because my brain can't seem to make heads or tails of this today. Bum, 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 bum. It's like what's something like, and I just want to find a chart that isn't in a pile of shit position right now, and I'm probably not going to find one. This all looks like a giant wreck. Yep. Yep. Giant wreck. Do, 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 do. Hmm. Hmm. Boring. Boring. So this is really, this isn't it. This isn't it. It's not it, man. Let me get back to the chat. Hopefully you guys got something for me. I'm gonna give this like another 5 minutes and see if anybody's got one for me. And then I'm gonna hit the road. I don't think I really just don't feel like fighting this. Sometimes like for me, if I can come to a chart and I can just tell by my confidence level as I'm drawing my TA, like I don't stumble up, like it just is falling right out of my head. Like my mouth and my hands are having a hard time keeping up with it, and it's just falling out of my head. Like when I hit that, it's almost like a flow state kind of thing. Like I feel very good about that. That is just simply not the way that my brain is operating this morning, and I just need to just call it as it is, right? And say, okay, so if intuitively um, things are not making really great sense to me where they normally do, then is this a great time to be really looking for ideas or acting upon ideas? Answer's likely no. The answer is likely that my brain is just needs a fucking break or something. I don't know. Answer is likely no. I shouldn't be dealing with it. So, I guess with that disclaimer, nobody probably wants to ask for another coin. Uh, but, but that whatever. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm at with it. So, um, is what it is. Is what it is, man. It is what it is. I did take a small position on Bitcoin. It's not much, guys. I mean, I have like $100 of margin in here, and I've got a stop loss right below this low. It's nothing special, um, and I'm probably just gonna let it ride out. And if it hits the SL, it hits the SL. So I'm down at basically 96.5. Oh, I guess four and change. Um, is what it is, man. Is what it is. I'm not gonna sweat it. I don't think I'm gonna win it, but I ain't gonna sweat it. And yeah, that's it. That's how Ondo has it though. It's been holding up comparatively. I feel like I just peaked at the 4 hour briefly, and don't recall seeing anything spectacular on it. Let's take it. Oh, well. Anyways, I've got to go. Anyways, guys.